Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is operating company. Now, an operating company is someone that manufactures, builds, or sells, or operates. It does something with its business. It makes something, it sells something. Now, you're probably saying, Todd, that's all companies. No, it's not. Holding companies, their only function is to own other operating companies. And so they don't do anything except own. Operating companies make things. They sell things. They do things. They provide a service. Now, I happen to run a holding company, Ault Global, on the NYSE American, and we own many other operating companies. Today's word is operating company. Now, as a side note, put in the comments below, what's one of the biggest holding companies in the world? In the hint, the tip of the day here, write it down below, is it's based in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, if you don't know that, look it up. Today's word is operating company.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.